this is the demo for my final project. The first thing my program does is ask for a Xbox Live session, so I'm gonna sign in to be able to use the game. Um, After the sign in is complete, the game goes to the lobby. There we can create a session or join a session in progress. Uh, I can also see the controls of the game. Um, so on this machine, I'm gonna create a session. So I press enter. Here I'm just waiting for another player. The game cannot start if I don't have two players. So basically, you're just gonna wait till someone joins. I'm gonna use my second computer to join this session. Okay, so now they start, and now we can start playing. Uh, the machine that creates the session is always the blue ship, and the one that joins the session is always the green ship. Um, Here I'm moving this one on this machine, and now I'm gonna move the other ship. Here you can see like the movement is not as smooth as the blue one because that's I'm sending the data over the network, and also my internet connection is not the greatest. Um, so what I did in this game, I modified how the inputs were handled. Now every time an input is made, I create data that has the type of input it was and how the ship is going to change, and I add it to a queue. And on at the end of the frame, I clean the queue, so to process all the inputs that were made right there. Um, that's the data I'm sending over the network. The inputs of what of the of what the machine is doing, and also I'm sending the position and the rotation of the ship. At the beginning, I was only sending the data from the queue, but the games were not really synchronized because not the sending when I send the packets, sometimes they were missing, and if even one packet is missing, the games are not gonna be synchronized. So that's why I also send the position and the rotation of the ships, and that's why sometimes it looks not as smooth as it should. Um, with both ships, I can fire and lay mines. Um, um, Sorry. What else? Um, yeah, after the game is done, uh, we both go back to the lobby. I'm gonna show you if I can win this. So what I'm doing when I receive the data from the other player, I'm also storing it on another queue, a separate queue from the first one. In that queue, I'm just um, I I store all the data that I'm receiving, and I add it to a input queue. That's the name I gave it, and I process all the data at the end of the frame as well. So yeah, now both sessions are not hooked anymore because the game is over. So I can press enter, and I go back to the lobby, and here I can uh, create a session again. So now this time I'm gonna create a session on my other computer, and I'm gonna join a session on this one. Oops. Here now I'm the green ship because I joined the session this time. So yeah, that's my uh, networking game. I hope you like it, and yeah, thanks.